These are yung mga double-decker na buses here in Hong Kong. We're going to yung station that will take us to Monggok Night Market. So sinabi 700 meters from Panda Hotel. So we are taking this time also to have yung walking tour. So they're waiting. This is a bus stop. Ito para siyang park, no? Mini park. This is Kwok Siu Road Park. This one, ah? Where are they?
Okay. Slow down lang daw.
Ito na yung subway station.
The same pala. So Google and are the same. Oh.
Dito na station, Taiwo. Yung station namin na Taiwo House Station. So going down, so walking talaga siya. Are you sure, Hannah? Ha? Pero baka maglakad pa tayo going. May elevator pero nasa kuan 700 meters away daw.
Taxi kasi rich na.
Grabe ka rich na. Hindi taxi sila.
Kasi ako mag-generate lang mo sa
Ay naku. Ayoko ganyan. Gusto ko lang manood ng SB19. I-wheelchair niyo ako. Ito, octopus. Ito. Okay, ready the cards?
I can buy card here. I can buy
Bili ka ticket. Bili ka ng ticket.
Oh, try mo.
Mag?
Mag-Google Pay ka?
Okay.
Yeah.